Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome to a brand new video. This is the new Driving Empire Build a Truck event with 3 truck brands in the game. So let's switch to the first truck. This first truck is the 2024 Corvette, 1500 ZR2. Let's go ahead and get in it and get ready to see how fast it goes. Alright guys, open this door and hang on. Alright, time for the top speed. Alright, so it's looking, we're at 150, almost at 200 now. That looks like 183 without boost, and over 230 with boost, 240 with boost, over. Alright, let's switch to the next truck. I dropped my phone. No. Alright, this is the 2023 Ford F-150 Raptor R. Let's get to the top speed. Alright, time for the top speed. Get started. Alright, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180, 183 without boost. And I'm just going to say over 210 with boost because I crashed alright. And yeah, let's just switch to the next truck. 2022 Nissan D41. Alright. Top speed. .181 without boost. Over 240 with boost. This is the 2017 Nissan. I don't know. Alright. Top speed. Alright, here's the top speed. Let's go ahead and get started. Right. 277. Let's just say over 230. Alright, let's get these in the specs, or like the colors we want them. Alright, the first truck. Here, I'll see y'all at the end. Alright. Alright, we have the first truck in this matte gray with that orange stripe and like orange accents. Let's explode it. Not actually explode for the little kid that doesn't know what that means. But here it is with all the doors open. Now, time for the next truck. Let's go to the next truck, everybody. 2022 Nissan. Alright. We'll see y'all once I have the spec on this. Alright, so I have in this purple with black rims and dark blue calibers with black interior. Time for the next truck. Whee! 2023 Ford F-150 Raptor R. So I already have in this purple, but I'm gonna change it. And I'm gonna bring y'all with me. Alright. Boom. Boom, alright. Let's go. Boom, alright. And boom, boom. Boom. Alright. Now, let's go to the next truck. Whee! 2024 Corvette Shelby 1500. Alright, so we got it in this baby blue. Not baby blue, but a blue. Let's go white rims. White interior, yep, alright. Now, was that the last truck? I'm pretty sure it was. Yep, that's going to be the end of this video. See y'all next time. Peace. Oh, wait. Was this added in the Nissan update? I'm pretty sure this new, No, it wasn't. Okay. This isn't new in the update. Alright, see y'all next time. Peace.